Now start collision between bullet and vertical suspended block. Mass of the bullet is m. Fire horizontally with velocity u. Okay, this is mass bullet. Its horizontal velocity is u. In a block of mass capital M suspended by a vertical thread. So mass capital M were suspended by a vertical thread. Its length is n. Okay. After the collision, bullet get embedded in a block. Left. The combined system rise up to the height h. So बुलेट और मास दोनों एक ही साथ h हाइट एक्वायर करते हैं. The string makes an angle theta with the vertical. तब वर्टिकल के साथ इसका एंगल थीटा बनता है. तो आफ्टर कोलिजन वेलोसिटी कितनी रहेगी, कितनी हाइट पर जाएगा, वो सब फाइंड करना है. तो वेलोसिटी ऑफ दिस सिस्टम आफ्टर कोलिजन तो मालूम है, v इक्वल टू m1 u1 प्लस m2 u2 अपॉन m1 प्लस m2. m1 equal to m, u1 equal to u, u2 0, then m plus capital M. So after collision, its velocity mu upon small m plus capital M equation number 1. The velocity of bullet we find in a term of h due to the energy which remain in the bullet block system just after the collision. The system means bullet plus block rise up to height. Means here we write conservation of mechanical energy. So kinetic energy of the system is equal to kinetic energy of the potential energy of the system. So 1/2 small m plus capital V square is equal to small m plus capital GH. So small m plus capital M cancel both sides, then V equal to under root 2 GH. Now substituting this value in the above equation 1, we get under root 2 GH is equal to mu upon m plus capital M. So now here we write V equal to under root 2 GH. Okay. So under root 2 GH is equal to mu upon m plus capital M. Now subject u, then m plus capital M take in a left side. So m plus capital under root 2 GH by m. This is the initial velocity of the bullet. Next, loss in a kinetic energy. So u1 minus a u2 plus u2 is 0. So 1 upon 2 m capital M capital M u square. This is loss of kinetic energy. Now angle of string from the vertical. Kitna angle बनाएगा? So here we see the figure angle. Now this is the height. This is the length L first. Total length L. This is h, means this is L minus h. This is theta. So means cos theta is equal to near side upon hypotenuse. Clear? तो हमें याद रखना है L minus h upon L. तो cos theta equal L minus h upon L. L cancel 1 minus h by L. So 1 minus. Here we take h. So in this form, take square both side. M h find करना है. So here we take square both side. So u square small m plus capital M square by m square 2gh. Now h is equal to u square 2g in denominator left side u square by 2g m square is numerator and m plus m is denominator. This is the h. This value put in this equation. Then 1 minus u square by 2gl m plus small m all square. Now theta equal to cos inverse 1 minus u square by, here we write u square by gl. So here you also u square. U inside, take inside u square. So mu square upon m plus small m. So here we find theta. Problem. A bullet of mass m moving with velocity v strikes a block of mass capital M at rest and gets embedded into it. The kinetic energy of the composite block will be. So after collision, velocity of the system mv upon m plus capital. Kinetic energy of the composite block, so 1 upon 2 small m plus capital M v square. This we put in this equation. So mv by 2 m plus small m, capital M height. M square v square by 2 small m plus capital M means 1 upon 2 mv square small m upon m plus capital M. Next, a mass of 10 gram moving horizontally with velocity 10 centimeter per second. Okay, so 10 gram, 100 centimeter per second, u1 equal to 100 centimeter per second means 1 meter per second. Strike the bob of the pendulum and strike to it. The mass of the bob is also 10 gram. The maximum height to reach the system can be raised. So maximum height find करनी है. तो मालूम है final velocity v equal to mu upon m1 plus m2 m1. So m1 is equal to here 10 equal to 1, 10 plus 10, 21 by 2 meter per second. Final velocity of the system 1 by 2 meter per second. The maximum height v square by 2. V square minus u square equal to 3x. Okay. So v square by 2g. So 1 by 2 square by 2 into 10. So 1 by 2, 1 by 8, 80. So means आएगा 0.0125 meter. Means 1.25 centimeter. Next. Bullet of mass m moving with velocity v strike a suspended wooden block of mass capital M, figure 5, and stick to it. If the block rises to height h, initial velocity will be bullet. Initial velocity find करनी है. तो मैं मालूम v equal to velocity of the system after collision mv upon small m plus capital M. Okay, and system acquire height h, then v square minus u square equal to 2ah. So u is 0, initially velocity we take, final velocity 0. So here v is equal to under root 2gh, 2gs. Okay, this value put in this equation. So under root 2gh is equal to mv upon small m plus capital M. Now take a subject v. So v is equal to m plus capital M divided by m under root 2gh. तो ये आंसर आएगा. Next, a big P of mass M hang by a long thread and bullet M come horizontally with velocity V and get caught in the bag. Then the four combined system. तो combined system की velocity क्या आएगी? यही आएगी. सब में V equal to mv upon m plus capital M. तो कंबाइन सिस्टम है उसका मोमेंटम m प्लस कैपिटल इंटू वी. वी की वैल्यू यहाँ पर पुट करेंगे तो m प्लस कैपिटल एम वी अपॉन m प्लस कैपिटल m प्लस कैपिटल m कैंसिल तो m v आएगा. तो वो तो कोई आंसर नहीं है. अब काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द कंबाइंड सिस्टम 1/2 m प्लस कैपिटल m v स्क्वायर. v की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो यहाँ पर हमें मिलेगा m स्क्वायर v स्क्वायर बाई 2 m प्लस कैपिटल m स्क्वायर v स्क्वायर 2 m प्लस कैपिटल. आंसर इज डी. तो एनर्जी हमें मिलती है. A wooden block of mass m is suspended by a cord and is at rest. A bullet of mass m moving with velocity v presses through the block and come out with velocity v by 2 in the same direction. If there is no loss in the kinetic energy, then up to what height the block will rise? So initial momentum equal to final momentum. So mv plus initial momentum of the wooden block is 0 equal to mv by 2 plus mv. Okay. Then we write mv. This mv by 2 take in the left side, mv by 2 is equal to m into v. Then mv by 2 equal to m into v. Then v is equal to mv by 2 capital M. Okay, ये हमें याद रखना है. Then block rise up. तो h is equal to v square by 2g. Put value to 1/2g v at m square v square by 2 capital M. Means m square v square by स्क्वायर लेना है. ये 4 आएगा, s स्क्वायर आएगा. तो 4 into 2 8 and g capital M square. तो आंसर ये आएगा. तो आंसर इज okay. तो यह चैप्टर खत्म होता है. इसकी मैं सीट भेजूंगा, वो सोल्व करनी है. अब इसके बाद का जो चैप्टर है रोटेशनल मोशन सेंटर ऑफ मास वो लर्न करेंगे टुमारो. और उसको वी टेक लेक्चर 645.